Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like and consider subscribing for more content. If you already subscribed, thanks for it. In this video, we will handle one more problem in Go language regarding the time. You see, I have a small and simple example that n equal to 100, and now I am multiplying this 100 with a millisecond. Means I want to make a delay in my application of 1 second of delay. If I say here 1000, so it will become the 1 second. So 1 second of delay, then I want to display this line. So you may have other examples also, but I want to show the problem in Go language by using this n. So if I run this here, you see we have an error. Invalid operation n into this mismatch type int and time duration. You see the problem is coming here. Invalid operation n into this and mismatch type int and time duration. You see this error is coming, but fundamentally there is no error in this program, because we already have this as an integer 1000 and we are multiplying it in a millisecond. So no problem at all, but it's showing an error. So that is a problem in Go language. Now how we can solve this? So we can solve it like that. I have to create a variable like this, and I say that variable is time dot duration, showing time duration, and now I say 1000. Remember that it's saying time duration, so I am converting this variable as a time duration of 1000, and now I am trying to execute, and you will see it will display result after 1 second. Welcome to Go timing system. Clear? One more. If we execute it now, you see after 1 second it displaying the information. So it is working fine with this data type, time dot duration, but if I am using an integer data type, is not working and showing me error. So you see that is the problem in Go language. If we are using such kind of concept in Go, we may be confused and we may have some problem also. We will you can say spend lot of time to find out this error. So I have already find it out, and that's why I'm showing you that that is a problem in Go language. These are common mistakes in Go language. So I think you learn something from this video. If you really learn, share this video, like this video, and consider my channel to be subscribed, and thank you for watching this video.